regions with destructive winds and heavy rain. Officials said following the storm's deadly passes through the Philippines, where it killed at least 188 people. The typhoon made landfall in central Vietnam late on Thursday, uprooting trees, damaging homes and triggering power outages before weakening as it moved inland. Authorities have warned of more heavy rainfall of up to 200 millimeters in central provinces from Thang Hau to Huang Trai, and said rising river levels from Hua to Dak Lak could trigger flooding and landslides.
Truck na nagpunot katliluan, please. Please, God. Tabang daw.
Sus, narabay ko ang ditoon. Naano siya, narabay.
Narabay, masunod din rinday.
Ikaw, manggod siya, no? Kanak ba kaluoy ba anang ban? Uy.
Need rescue, please. If namoy makontak na rescue, please. Please, God. Natuma na sa balay, guys. Whatever na.
Yun saan man ako ang rescue tao nila. Uy, di pa hunong ba yung kanong?
So, siya. Like, first time na nangyari. First time.